Hello everyone! In today's video, we're continuing with the key phrases and vocabulary from the second episode of The Secret of Us. Since our videos are interconnected, make sure to watch the previous episodes. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let's get started.
พี่หมอไปดูเป็นเพื่อนเอิญได้ไหมพี่หมอไปดูเป็นเพื่อนเอิญได้ไหม
Means, can you come with me to watch as a friend? Let's break down the phrase and explain each word.
พี่
Is commonly used in Thai culture to address someone older or in a higher position in a respectful manner, while
หมอ
means doctor.
ไป
Generally means to go. However, its meaning and usage can change depending on the context and the speaker's perspective. In our phrase, it is used to indicate movement towards a destination or away from the speaker's current location. If you want to dive deeper into this concept and understand it better, I highly recommend watching Quick Thai Lesson 2. This video provides a detailed explanation of how to use directional verbs in Thai.
ดู
To watch or to see.
เป็นเพื่อน
Means to be a friend or as a friend.
ได้ไหม
Means can you or is it possible? It is used to ask if something is possible or if someone is able to do something. This phrase combines
ได้
which indicates ability or permission with
ไหม
which is a question particle that turns a statement into a yes-no question.
พี่หมอไปดูเป็นเพื่อนเอิญได้ไหมพี่หมอไปดูเป็นเพื่อนเอิญได้ไหมใครเป็นเพื่อนเธอฉันไม่ใช่เพื่อนเธอใครเป็นเพื่อนเธอฉันไม่ใช่เพื่อนเธอ
Who is your friend? I'm not your friend. Let's break down the sentences.
ใคร
This word means who.
เป็น
Is a versatile verb that primarily means to be and is used when describing a state of being or identifying something with a noun or noun phrase. However, it is important to note that as the verb to be, it is not used with adjectives. When describing qualities or states using adjectives, Thai omits the verb to be. The adjective follows the subject directly. Additionally, one of the negative forms of it is
ไม่ใช่
which means is not.
เพื่อน
Means friend.
เธอ
Is a pronoun with two primary uses, depending on the context in which it's used. First, it is commonly used as an informal way of saying you, typically between people of the same age or in a close, friendly relationship. It is not considered rude, but it should not be used in formal situations, such as business contexts, where
คุณ
would be more appropriate. Additionally, it can also mean she, although it's not the most common word used for this purpose. In everyday conversation, Thai speakers often prefer the pronoun
เขา
which can mean either he or she.
ฉัน
Is commonly used by females to mean I or me in both formal and informal contexts.
ใครเป็นเพื่อนเธอฉันไม่ใช่เพื่อนเธอเตินแค่พูดเล่นเองค่ะเตินแค่พูดเล่นเองค่ะ
Means I was just joking or I was only kidding.
แค่
Just only.
พูดเล่น
Joking, kidding, literally speaking playfully.
เอง
By oneself, used for emphasis, meaning just.
เตินแค่พูดเล่นเองค่ะเอิญก็แค่คิดถึงพี่หมอ Means I just miss you, or
It's only that I miss you.
ก็ ก็
This is a versatile word in Thai that can be used in various ways. It often serves as a conjunction similar to then, so, or just in English. It connects ideas or phrases and can also be used to emphasize something in a sentence.
แค่ แค่
Just or only.
คิดถึง คิดถึง
To miss, to think about.
เอิญก็แค่คิดถึงพี่หมอ เอิญดูนะคะว่าพี่หมอเกลียดเอิญใช่ เกลียดมากด้วย เอิญดูนะคะว่าพี่หมอเกลียดเอิญใช่ เกลียดมากด้วย
I know that you hate me. Yes, hate a lot too.
รู้ รู้
This verb means to know.
ว่า ว่า
This word means that and introduces a subordinate clause explaining what or know.
เกลียด เกลียด
To hate.
ใช่ ใช่
This word means yes or that's right.
มาก มาก
Very or a lot.
ด้วย ด้วย
This word means also or too.
เอิญดูนะคะว่าพี่หมอเกลียดเอิญใช่ เกลียดมากด้วย พี่หมอรอเอิญด้วยค่ะ 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 พี่หมอรอเอิญด้วยค่ะ
Means please wait for me, doctor.
รอ รอ
To wait.
ด้วย ด้วย
Is a multi-purpose word that can have various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In this phrase, it makes the request more polite and inclusive.
พี่หมอรอเอิญด้วยค่ะ พี่หมอรอเอิญด้วยค่ะ
ตามมาทำไม ตามมาทำไม
Means, why are you following me?
ตามมา ตามมา
Follow or come after.
ทำไม ทำไม
Why?
ตามมาทำไม
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hitting that like button really helps out with the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn Thai too. And if you want to keep up with all the new content I'm creating, don't forget to subscribe. I've got lots more exciting lessons coming your way. See you in the next one.